Woman loses $390,000 in online crypto dating scam. I messed up my life.
Dating.
There's your crypto again, Will.
Yeah.
So a Tennessee woman said she lost $390,000 belonging to herself and her father after she fell for an online crypto dating scam. After losing her mom, 24-year-old Nicole Hutchinson inherited her mother's house, which she sold and split the proceeds with her father. The $280,000 she inherited was supposed to go toward helping her family and building a life in California. As a way to make new friends before moving to California, Hutchinson began to use the online dating website Hinge. She said she met a man who called himself How, and they became friends. She told CBS News' consumer investigative correspondent Anna Werner that she felt a strong connection with him when he told her he came from the same town in China from where Hutchinson was adopted. He was into investing in cryptocurrency. Of course he was.
Mm-hmm.
And then suggested she too could invest. I think this might have been Mo, actually. Nice to meet you. Have you ever heard of crypto?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm Hal.
Let me manage these investments for you. I know everything. I am crypto. I'm like, I've never invested in my life. I don't know anything about cryptocurrency either, so I was very skeptical, she said. Hutchinson said that Hal reassured her that this was an area he knew well. Howe told her to create an account on a legitimate site, crypto.com. Then she said he sent her a link and told her to transfer money to the new link. To what he said was a cryptocurrency exchange platform. She started small, but said she soon started investing larger amounts. He just kept saying things like, look at this money that can help support your family. Obviously, that's what I wanted to do. When her account began showing profits, she suggested to her father that he could invest too, and so he did. Mm-hmm. By December, their accounts showed a combined balance of $1.2 million, and Hutchinson decided it was time to cash out. That's when the site told her before she could withdraw her money, she would have to pay a hefty tax bill of roughly $380,000.
Jeez.
That got Mo's attention. Mo's like, wait, I thought I was living in crypto paradise.
What's this
That's
tax
a
bill?
lot.
What is this word, tax? I was in the metaverse, wasn't I? I thought so. I thought I was in the metaverse.
You keep going British.
What is this word, tax, you speak of? She discovered that the cryptocurrency investments weren't real. All her and her father's funds had gone into the scammers' pockets. I messed up my life. I messed up my dad's life. I mean, this kind of stuff has to be going on all over the place. Mm-hmm. A report found in 2021 cryptocurrency scam victims lost more than $7.7 billion. It's a lack of understanding, a lack of information, a rapidly evolving tech, and then anonymity surrounding the whole thing. It has attracted all types of humans, law-abiding citizens like Mo, gambling addicts like Will.
A little nod there.
German shepherds like Kovu.
Yeah.
And criminals like How.
Just Kovu's on the computer late at night looking at stocks.
Well, actually, Kovu's the one that got Mo into it.
Yeah.
He's like, crypto.
Bitcoin. Did you say Bitcoin? Bitcoin.